Here is how to fix the missing App Store on your iPad. It can be frustrating when the App Store disappears, preventing you from downloading apps. First, swipe through your app library and use the search bar at the top to see if the App Store is located there. Next, check your hidden apps. At the bottom of the app library, tap on Hidden and then enter your passcode or user touch ID, and then see if the App Store is listed. If you find it, tap on it and hold the icon, and then select the option to add it back to your home screen. If you still can't find the App Store, open the Settings app on your iPad, scroll down to the left side and open the Screen Time option. Then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Here, toggle the option of Content and Privacy Restriction first, and then select iTunes and App Store purchases. Ensure that installing apps is set to allow. And after confirming that installing apps is allowed, the App Store should reappear and you should be able to use it to download the apps. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.